ये चौंका देने वाले नंबर्स है। चिल्ड्रन इन अर्बन सिटीज विद लो इम्यूनिटी, hyperactive disorders, under या overweight, stunted that is less height for their age, learning disabilities, autism दिन बर दिन बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं। Gone were the days जहाँ स्टडीज रिवील करते थे रूरल विलेजेस के किड्स were battling with undernutrition and health problems. Don't just believe on my word. Hear this eye-opening report from Lancet, which is a US-based journal.
ग्रामीण बच्चों की लंबाई शहरी बच्चों से ज्यादा तेजी से बढ़ रही है। साइंटिफिक जर्नल नेचर में प्रकाशित और इंपीरियल कॉलेज लंदन के नेतृत्व में हुए इस स्टडी के मुताबिक ज्यादातर देशों में शहरी बच्चों की लंबाई और अच्छे न्यूट्रिशन का फायदा तेजी से कम हुआ है। इसके विपरीत ग्रामीण इलाकों में बच्चों की लंबाई और बेहतर न्यूट्रिशन का फायदा तेजी से बढ़ा है।
पिछले 10 साल में इंडिया बदल गया है। चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम रूरल इंडिया कितने आगे बढ़ गए हैं। शार्क टैंक में देखो, छोटे विलेजेस से बच्चे क्या क्या इनोवेशंस कर रहे हैं। 100 करोड़ की ब्रांड बना रहे हैं। दे आर हायर्ड एट बेस्ट पोजीशंस इन एमएनसी ऑन देयर इंटेलिजेंस। स्पोर्ट्स में देखो, मेडल्स ला रहे हैं। इंटरनेशनल गेम्स में अपना नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं। ये बोलते हुए इतना प्राउड फील होता है कि अपना देश आगे बढ़ रहा है। बट एट द सेम टाइम really ashamed कि हमारे अर्बन चिल्ड्रन टुडे whose parents are well educated, have the best knowledge, better financial wealth, good healthcare facilities, nutritious food, are seen with low intelligence quotient, decline motor and interpersonal skills, less productivity and class only because of one core problem, that's health. क्यों लगता है 10-12 साल के बच्चे को आजकल डायबिटीज, ओबेसिटी, लो इम्यूनिटी, हर दूसरे दिन बीमार हो जाते हैं। कभी जुकाम, खांसी, फीवर हो जाता है। It is rightly said, you have thousands of problems as a mother, like looking after your career, house, family, and now a newborn. Only until your child has a health problem, then you only have one big problem. पूरी जिंदगी जो पैसा, गुड एजुकेशन कमाया, वो फिर लगा दो अपने बच्चे के हेल्थ ठीक करने में। Do you see this blindfolded woman? This is you. Only until you correct this 4 big mistakes, you change the future of your baby. In the next few minutes, I am exactly going to prove you how this blindfold is controlling your decisions, जो आपके होश उड़ा देगा. Now, before I disclose the 4 big mistakes, let me first say that this is not for everybody. I have to be ridiculously selective about who I share this with. This is only for those who, first, are planning a baby or to be mothers in their first, second or third trimester, or even lactating mothers with baby till 2 years. Second, are planning a baby post 30s but still want a natural conception. Third, want to avoid all complications or miscarriages during pregnancy. Fourth, are suffering with diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, hormonal imbalances before or during pregnancy but still want a no complication delivery. And fifth, finally want a normal delivery with a healthy baby. Continue watching this video only if you fall in any 2 of the above categories. But first, मैं हूँ कौन and why you should listen to me at all? My name is Riya Dedia, a pediatric nutritionist and a clinical dietitian. I always was a healthy child, no illness, loved all type of fruits, veggies, never showed any tantrums and was active in sports. यहाँ मुझे ना एक क्यूट इंसिडेंट याद आता है मेरे स्कूल का। तो मुझे सारे फ्रेंड्स है ना डब्बा वाली बुलाते थे क्योंकि मम्मी हर ब्रेक के लिए छोटे छोटे डब्बास देती थी एंड वो मस्त मैं एंजॉय करके खाती थी। Later did I realize that being a teenage girl, when my friends used to offer me chocolates, wafers या roadside खाना, I refused most of the time. Not because मैं health conscious थी, of course not at that time, but I never craved for it even if it was right in front of my eyes. None of the social influences could shape my eating habit due to the strong foundation built by my parents in the first 1000 days. Soon I completed my graduation in food, nutrition and dietetics and realized that कोई first 1000 days के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा है जो हमारे country के future के लिए absolutely important है. Here I decided to invest more few years to gain deep understanding of the subject matter with doing my MSc in pediatric nutrition. Additionally, I gained further expertise with practical knowledge and exposure in renowned hospitals such as Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai, Fernandez Maternity Hospital in Hyderabad. Drawing from the wealth of knowledge and experience nutrients, I developed a comprehensive and sustainable formula known as the journey of the first 1000 days in just 4 simple steps. This फॉर्मूला शेप्स द चाइल्ड फ्यूचर। ये वीडियो के एंड में मैंने मेरी प्रूवन स्ट्रैटेजी रिवील की है, सो सब्र से देखे रहना। Let me first show you what I'm talking about before I remove your blindfold.
Hi, I am Priyanka and I am a mother to 2 wonderful and very healthy children, which definitely take a lot of effort and the right guidance. I met Riya during my second pregnancy. In the first, I felt like so sluggish, so tired, and I spent most of my time sleeping and resting, which resulted in actually a lot of weight gain. But my daughter wasn't gaining any weight, and my second pregnancy things were completely different. Like I felt so much more energized. I have worked till the last day before my delivery. She has such great knowledge and her very simple एकदम वो effective plans जो होते हैं ना, it made a difference. Pregnancy was fulfilled majorly with natural and healthy foods. I hardly took any supplements. I had a normal delivery, which I am very happy about. But after delivery, I didn't get much rest. But with Riya's advice and her घरेलू nuskas, I bounced back so quickly. Like within a week's time, I felt very strong, and I was ready to take care of both my kids. I see how healthy my second daughter is. She's 1.5 years and she's never fallen sick. Her immune system is incredible. I see her milestones like crawling and talking and walking. They've happened way ahead of her ideal age. Definitely see a difference in growth of both my kids, and that is 100% due to the impact of the prenatal plan that I had chosen to. Riya, didn't just focus on me during pregnancy. She also helped me plan my children's nutrition to build a very strong foundation for their health. Seeing today how far my kids have come, I feel so confident and fearless as a mother, because वो होता है ना कि हर बार वो बच्चे बार बीमार गिरते हैं and you also feel irritable. They are not fine, then you also can't do anything. Investing in first 1000 days, I feel like it was the best decision I could have ever made. I am so thankful that I took that decision during my second pregnancy. It was really truly a life-changing experience.
Finally, it's time to reveal the 4 big mistakes. Mistake 1, taking supplements. चौंक गए? आपकी बॉडी नेचर ने डिजाइन किया है to absorb nutrients from food and not in capsule form. You are fooling your organs by taking supplements because organ supplements को identify ही नहीं करता है। मुझे ये बताइए, supplements आपको फूड के साथ खाने बोलते हैं ना? क्यों? लिवर के पास जब वो फूड गया तो लिवर ने उसको आइडेंटिफाई किया, डोर ओपन किया एंड फूड अंदर गया, बट छुपके से वो सप्लीमेंट भी अंदर चला गया जिसके बारे में लिवर को कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है। लिवर को उल्लू बना के आज तक कभी किसी का फायदा हुआ है? नहीं, फिर आपका कैसे होगा? मिस्टेक 2, फॉलोइंग डाइट एडवाइस गिवन बाय योर गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट। प्रेगनेंसी में गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाओगे या कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट के पास? एंड गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट का जॉब क्या है? टू चेक द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बेबी इन द वूम। दैट इज व्हाट द मेडिकल साइंस टीचेस देम। सिमिलर वे में a pediatric nutritionist is trained to plan the right nourishment for you and your baby for the functioning of each organ. अब समझदार को इशारा ही काफी है। मिस्टेक 3, falling prey to C-section delivery. आपको पता है, large number of doctors are paid according to the number of C-section deliveries they do. ये मैं नहीं बता रही हूँ, WHO की रिपोर्ट बता रही है। 21.5% women in India undergo C-section delivery when normal delivery is 100% medically possible. क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स आपको डरा देते हैं कि बेबी को कॉम्प्लिकेशन होगा, लेबर में बहुत पेन होता है, बेबी का वेट कम है। आज के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, उनके ज़माने में क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशंस नहीं होते थे, फिर भी नॉर्मल डिलीवरी होती थी। टुडे हु इज एट डिसएडवांटेज? द बेबी। पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा? बेबी विल हैव लो इम्यूनिटी, रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स, रिस्क ऑफ एलर्जीज एंड अस्थमा। मिस्टेक 4, नॉट यूजिंग योर कॉमन सेंस। अगर कॉमन सेंस लगाते तो अबाउट 3 मिस्टेक्स कभी करते ही नहीं। खुद को ही पूछो, बेटर न्यूट्रिएंट्स कहाँ से मिलेगा? फूड या सप्लीमेंट से? बच्चे के लिए क्या बेस्ट है, नॉर्मल डिलीवरी या सी सेक्शन? राइट डाइट एडवाइस कौन देगा, पीडियाट्रिक न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और डॉक्टर? सब पता ही था, फिर क्यों नहीं लगाया कॉमन सेंस पहले? क्यों आंख पे पट्टी लगाए बैठे हो? आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू एवरी मदर हू वॉक्स इन माय क्लिनिक एंड देयर आंसर इज जो डॉक्टर ने बोला एंड आसपास के लोगों ने किया वो हमने फॉलो किया। फियर, सेल्फ डाउट एंड लैक ऑफ राइट गाइडेंस ने उनको कॉमन सेंस यूज करने का मौका ही नहीं दिया। Here, my proven formula journey of first 1000 days in just 4 simple steps is a hand-holding solution to the 4 big mistakes जो आप either कर रहे हो या करने वाले हो। ये eye-opener formula will give you the freedom of right wisdom as a parent, which no doctor will ever dare to share with you. Let's quickly understand why 1000 days. What makes us human is our brain. A mother elephant is concerned for the weight, a mother giraffe is concerned for the height, a baby peacock is concerned for the beauty, but you as a human mother should only be concerned for the brain. The story of the brain starts in the womb. At birth सिर्फ 25% brain baby का form होता है. The rest 75% of wiring develops till the second birthday of the baby for her future intelligence and quality of life. The first 1000 days शुरू होता है आपके प्रेगनेंसी प्लानिंग से और आपके बच्चे के सेकेंड बर्थडे पे एंड होता है। अगर आप मेरा मैसेज अभी तक सुन रहे हो then let me share that many things we need in life can wait, the child cannot. Now is the time his bones are formed, his mind is developed. To him, we can't say tomorrow. His name is today. I have coached so many mothers to have normal delivery and healthy babies using my proven formula journey of first 1000 days in just 4 simple steps that I discovered in the beginning, which I'm about to share with you. This formula will guide you to effectively have a normal delivery, a healthy baby without the need of any food restrictions. And I guarantee this is not like anything that you have heard or seen before. So pay very close attention because this could be a big break for your baby. जिस फॉर्मूला का आपको बेसब्री से इंतजार था वो बस रिवील करते हैं। The journey of first 1000 days in just 4 simple steps to experience the most life-changing event only a mother can experience. No matter what your age, financial status or education is, this moment is likely the one you will always remember. Step 1, NutriSync. जो भी आप कंज्यूम करते हो या इनहेल करते हो ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी वो फीटस को पास होता है। This process begins as soon as you conceive and is so unique for every mother. NutriSync allows you to align your true self with a personalized, non-restrictive diet plan tailored to your age, body composition, biochemical parameters, pre-pregnancy comorbidities, food preferences, likes, dislikes, allergies, work schedules or any special travels. The right food choices has the power to positively impact the epigenesis of your baby. Step 2, motion mastery. Pregnancy is a period of growth. Uterus muscles grow होते हैं, endometrium lining grow होता है, blood tissues grows, your pelvic muscle grows. Motion mastery supports the right positioning of the baby, promotes relaxation during labor and strengthens the key muscles needed for delivery and postpartum recovery via a personalized movement regime curated for your body type and accommodating your work and travel schedules. Step 3, mindset harmony. आपको पता है बेबी का फेस सेकेंड मंथ ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी से डेवलप होना स्टार्ट होता है एंड बाय 4th मंथ वो स्माइल कर सकता है, फ्राउन कर सकता है एंड आपके थॉट्स एंड इमोशंस पे रिएक्ट भी करता है। Mindset harmony helps you to direct your thoughts, stress levels, worries in a way that doesn't affect the baby using simple and effective meditative and emotional freedom techniques. Remember, delivery outcome shapes your baby's future. Learning the right technique of breathing, comfort positions and visualization during pregnancy helps to build positive delivery outcomes. Step 4, baby on board. Congratulations on the birth of your baby. After a long wait of 9 months, you gifted your baby the healthiest 270 days. But picture abhi baki hai dear moms and dads. The longest route of the first 1000 days तो अभी start होंगे. The next 730 days, that is up to the second birthday of your baby, will shape the survival skills of your baby. Baby on board guides you on your baby's needs to help him or her grow and achieve the full genetic potential and develop a strong immune system. फिर कोविड आए या कोई और वायरस आए, your baby's body is ready to survive and fight. By following my proven formula, you as a mother are not just giving birth, but आपके बच्चे का precious human life जो वो deserve करता है, वो आप build कर रहे हो. Because what the baby will get is only on your choices. इससे भी बड़ा फायदा ये है कि my proven method is also a money saving opportunity for you. You can potentially reduce the future expenses on infertility treatments like IVF, C-section delivery, reduce the hospital stay post delivery, and एक unhealthy baby के expenses तो आपको पता ही है, regular doctor checkup, formula milk खरीदना, उनको chronic diseases हो तो उनका ध्यान रखना. I aim to take care of everything, saving your time, money and frustration. And this is my bold promise to you. This is what I do day in and day out. I have done it for hundreds of mothers just like this. And by the way, आप सोच रहे होंगे, is it even possible to do a normal delivery even if your gynac says it's not possible? I don't blame you. I used to think the exact same way. That is until मैंने मेरा common sense लगाया कि दादी नानी के ज़माने में भी इतने complications होते थे, फिर भी normal deliveries होते थे. एक नहीं 5-10 होते थे. That is the time I discovered that our body possesses an innate ability to heal itself through a unique force that can be activated with the application of the 4 steps formula, जिसने के बारे में मैंने already discuss किया हुआ है. It is very important to note that achieving this healing potential is possible with the use of natural remedies. Or maybe are you still worried to follow a strict diet plan, change your food habits, avoid your favorite food, या खुद के लिए अलग cook करना, which can be frustrating in the long run? Allow me to share a valuable insight that has proven success for numerous mothers by mastering the art of balance and embracing their favorite foods. Many have achieved a fulfilling motherhood experiences without any regrets. Or are you still concerned with having a busy work-life schedule and travels in the first 1000 days? Remember, healthy is an outfit that looks different on everybody as it varies on personal circumstances and preferences. By collaborating together, we can strategize a customized plan that aligns with your schedule, your lifestyle, and ensuring that you are comfortable and at ease. Additionally, I am delighted to share my invaluable pregnancy travel guidelines to enhance your overall well-being. याद रखिए, parenthood is a choice. You have the power to choose, respond, and bring a positive change to your child's future. Lastly, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि this is a rare and a one-time opportunity because everything can wait. But your baby's first 1000 days can't. If you missed taking action earlier and अगर आपको लगता है कि अभी बहुत देर हो गई है, but अगर आपने 990 days भी मिस कर लिया है, याद रखिए, one day is also worth to take action. Each day and each meal shapes the future of your child. जब आँख खुली तब सुबह, टाइम निकल रहा है, अब और देर मत कीजिए. Are you beginning to see how easy it can be for you to embark on the journey of the first 1000 days? My proven method is new, completely unique, super simple to use, very convenient, highly predictable, and best of all, I would love to help and do it all for you. And I'm so confident we can that I'll even guarantee it. Want a no-risk way to find out how we can help you? Let me show you how. For a limited time only, you can claim a no objection session with me. We'll discuss your individual situation, what your goals are, and मैं कैसे आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ with my proven formula. I will cover a stack of valuable information, but उससे पहले I want to highlight what you should never do in your first 1000 days. Let me highlight 2 common mistakes that new parents tend to make which can hinder their process. Mistake 1, avoid comparing your journey with others as each person's experience is unique and should be approached accordingly. And second mistake, solely relying on Google or online sources for advices can be problematic. It is important to consult a trusted healthcare professionals for accurate and personalized guidance. Remember, there's no cost or obligation to move forward with my proven formula if you feel it's not for you. But a word of warning, this is not a quick success scheme. This is for legitimate people who are looking to build their child's future and are willing to do hard work, spend time and make sacrifices to make that happen. You must also be willing to follow instructions and not be very difficult to work with. I have a strict no jerk policy. The last thing जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ is to waste my time, energy and money into somebody who's lazy and unwilling to follow instructions and take action. If you agree to that and this sounds like an opportunity of a lifetime, all you need to do is click on the button below and book your call. Now, this is not a sales call. It's simply a consultation session designed to see if we both are a good fit and more importantly, provide you value in advance. If you are, I will give you all the details including the investment required to get started. If not, I will politely and respectfully let you know that it's not a good fit. So in short, what I'm offering here is a chance of lifetime. But please note that this message is going to be seen by hundreds and thousands of mothers and they will apply for this opportunity. Then I have slots in my calendar. I get approximately 100 to 150 applications each week and I only accept 10 people out of them who I feel are the best fit for working with me. I will be awarding positions to mothers who qualify on first come first serve basis. So hey mothers, don't waste any time and click on the button below and fill in your details to secure the next available session and I will see you. I feel आपके पास अभी दो options है. First, सब कुछ भूल जाइए जो मैंने अभी बताया and go back to doing what all mothers are doing. You will get the same result what other parents are getting. And let's face it, you as a parent don't want to regret in future for not giving a good quality life that your baby deserves. You wouldn't be listening to this message right now, but आप सुन रहे हो ये message को. That tells me that you are ready for a change. If that's true, then doing nothing makes zero sense. You've got to take action now. And the second option is quite simple. It makes complete logical sense to get a proven roadmap from somebody who has already helped so many mothers to where you want to be and avoid the headache, losing money, frustration, time and opportunity cost by doing it all alone and simply hoping that you will make it to the promised land. To get started, all you have to do, my dear mothers, is click on the link below this video right now, schedule a call and find out if you qualify. So if you are finally ready to start the journey of the first 1000 days, click on the link below this video and I'll speak to you soon.